everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Friends.
Hi, everyone. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, we are really excited to practice with you.
So, Ben, how are you feeling today? You look a little bit tired.
Oh, Emma, you are right. I am tired, but mostly I am a little bit frustrated.
Oh no, why are you frustrated?
Well, last night I went to a dinner party. There were many new people there.
That sounds fun. Did you make new friends?
I tried, but then someone asked me the big question.
Let me guess. Did they ask, what is your name?
No, I can answer that.
Okay, good. Did they ask, where are you from?
No, that is easy too. They asked me about my job. They said, "What do you do?"
Ah, the famous question. What do you do?
Yes, and I froze. I didn't know what to say. I said, I make videos and I am office. It was terrible.
Oh, Ben, do not worry. That is so common. Talking about our jobs is one of the first things we do when we meet people, but it can be tricky.
Exactly. I feel like I have the vocabulary in my head, but I don't know how to put it together in a nice sentence.
I understand completely. Think of it like this, Ben. Your job description is like a sandwich.
A sandwich. I am hungry now.
Listen, you need the bread, which is your job title. You need the meat or cheese, which is where you work, and you need the sauce, which is what you actually do every day.
I see. So last night, I just gave them a piece of bread and ran away?
Yes, basically. But today, we are going to build the whole sandwich. We will help you answer what do you do with confidence.
That sounds amazing. Please help me, Emma.
Okay, let's start with the bread, the job title. This is usually the first thing we say.
Right, like I am a doctor.
Perfect. That is the structure. I am a plus the job.
Simple.
It is simple, but be careful. In some languages, you do not use a. You just say, I am doctor. But in English, we need the a.
Ah, yes. I forget that sometimes. I am a student. I am a teacher.
Exactly. Now, Ben, let's try a quick role play. I will ask you, and you answer with your title.
Okay, I am ready.
Hi there. So what do you do?
I am content creator.
Aha. Hold on, Ben.
Oh no, I forgot the didn't I?
You did. Try again.
Okay, I am a content creator.
Much better. But wait, what if your job starts with a vowel sound, like actor or engineer?
I am a actor? No, that is hard to say.
Correct. It is hard to say. So we change a to an.
Right. I am an actor. I am an engineer.
Perfect. So that is step number 1, the job title. But Ben, sometimes we do not want to say the specific title. Sometimes we want to say the department or the industry.
What do you mean?
Well, imagine you work at a huge company. Maybe your title is Junior Assistant Manager of Paperclips.
That is a long title.
It is. So instead, you can just say the area you work in. We use the phrase, I work in.
I work in. Okay, can you give me an example?
Sure, I work in marketing, or I work in sales.
I see. So I can say I work in education?
Yes, that is perfect. It sounds very professional.
Okay, so I have 2 options now. I am a teacher or I work in education.
Exactly. Those are 2 great ways to start. Now, let's do a quick recap. We have I am a for the title and I work in for the field.
Got it. But Emma, what if I want to say the name of the company?
Good question. This is where prepositions get a little bit tricky.
Oh no, I hate prepositions. In, at, on, for, it is a nightmare.
Don't panic. It is easier than you think. If you want to say the company name, we usually use at or for.
At or for. Okay.
For example, I work at Google, or I work for Microsoft.
Can I say I work in Google?
People will understand you, but it sounds a little bit unnatural. In is usually for a place, like a city or a building. I work in London, or I work in an office.
Ah, I see the difference.
Let's test this. I will give you a word, and you tell me the correct preposition, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
The word is Samsung.
I work at Samsung, or I work for Samsung.
Great. The next word is Paris.
That is a city, so I work in Paris.
Correct. Next one, marketing.
That is a field, so I work in marketing.
Excellent. Last one, a hospital.
That is a building, so I work in a hospital?
Yes. You can also say at a hospital. Both are okay for buildings.
Pew. Okay, I think I am getting it.
You are doing great. So we have the bread, the title, and the meat, the place. Now we need the sauce.
The sauce? You mean the details?
Yes, because if you just say, I am a manager, that is a little bit boring. People want to know what you actually do.
True. So how do I describe my actions?
We use verbs, but Ben, here is the secret. We usually use the simple present tense.
Simple present. Like I write or I make?
Yes. A big mistake students make is using ing too much. They say, I am working with customers.
Wait, is that wrong?
It is not terrible, but I am working means you are doing it right now, at this second. When we talk about our job in general, we use simple present. I work with customers.
Ah, that is a very important difference. So I shouldn't say I am teaching English.
Right. You should say, I teach English. It sounds stronger and more permanent.
Okay, let me try to describe my job. I make videos.
Good. Can we make it more interesting? What else do you do?
I edit audio.
Nice. What else?
I talk to people.
Great. Now let's connect them.
I make videos, edit audio, and talk to people.
Wow. That sounds like a real job description now.
It does. It sounds much better than I am office man.
Definitely. There's another great phrase you can use for this part. You can say, I am responsible for.
I am responsible for. Ooh, that sounds fancy.
It is very professional. But be careful. After for, we need the ing form.
Oh, so the rules change?
Yes, because for is a preposition. So we say, I am responsible for managing the team.
I am responsible for making videos.
Exactly. You got it.
Okay, this is really helpful. I have a lot of pieces now.
You do. Let's verify your understanding with Ben's work analysis. Are you ready?
I am ready. I am nervous, but I am ready.
Okay, Ben. I want you to imagine you are back at that dinner party. I am a new person you just met. I want you to introduce yourself and tell me about your job. Try to use 3 sentences.
3 sentences. Okay, here we go. Hi, I'm Ben. I work at Easy English Friends. I am responsible for Teach English.
Okay, stop there. Good try.
I made a mistake, didn't I?
Just a small one. Let's look at the good parts first. You said, I work at Easy English Friends. Perfect use of at for the company.
Okay, good.
Then you said, I am responsible for Teach English.
Ah, I remember now. You said after for, we need ing.
Yes. So what should it be?
I am responsible for teaching English.
Bingo. That is it.
Okay, let me try one more time. The whole thing.
Go for it.
Hi, I'm Ben. I work at Easy English Friends. I am responsible for teaching English and making videos.
That was beautiful. High five.
High five. Wow, I feel much more confident now.
See? It just takes a little practice. Now, Ben, before we finish, there is one more thing we need to fix.
What is that?
The question itself.
You mean, what do you do?
Yes, you said you froze when you heard it. Part of the problem is that native speakers say this question very fast.
Yes, they do not say, what do you do? It sounds like one big word.
Exactly. It sounds more like, what do you do?
What do you do?
Yes, let's break that down. The what and the do connect. Whatta.
Whatta.
And you sounds like ya.
Yeah.
Put it together. Whaddaya.
What do you?
And then add do at the end. What do you do?
What do you do? What do you do? Wow, that sounds very natural.
It does. And notice the rhythm. Da 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 da. The stress is on the last do. What do you do?
What do you do?
Perfect. So next time someone says that to you, you will understand it immediately.
That helps so much. I think I was waiting for the slow version, but the fast version scared me.
That happens to everyone. Now you are ready.
Okay, Emma, I have a question for you now.
Go ahead.
Sometimes I do not have a job, or maybe I am between jobs. What do I say then?
Oh, that is a very important question. It is very common. You should never feel bad about it.
So can I say I have no job?
You can, but it sounds a little bit direct and maybe a little sad. There are nicer ways to say it.
Like what?
You can say, I am between jobs right now.
I am between jobs. I like that. It sounds like I am moving from one to another.
Exactly. It sounds very positive. Or if you are looking for a job, you can say, I am currently looking for work.
I am currently looking for work.
Yes. And if you are a student, you just say, I am a student.
And if I am retired, like my grandfather?
Then you say, I am retired.
Easy.
Very easy. Okay, let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today. It is a lot.
Yes, let's review.
First, the job title. Use a or an.
I am a teacher. I am an engineer.
Second, the company. Use at or for.
I work at Google.
Third, the field or department. Use in.
I work in sales.
Fourth, describing your duties. Use simple present or responsible for.
I make videos, or I am responsible for making videos.
And finally, the pronunciation of the question.
What do you do?
Amazing! You passed the test, Ben.
Thank you, Emma. I feel ready for the next dinner party.
That is great to hear.
But Emma, what about adjectives? Sometimes I want to say my job is good or bad.
Oh, that is a good point. We have a little bit of time left. Let's talk about that quickly.
Okay, because sometimes I say my job is stress.
Aha! Stress is the noun. If you want to describe the job, you need the adjective. My job is stressful.
Stressful. Okay, what if I like my job? Can I say my job is fun?
Yes, fun is good. Or exciting.
And if it is, not fun?
You can say boring.
Boring. Okay.
But be careful with the endings. A very common mistake is mixing up ed and ing.
Oh, yes. I always get confused.
If you talk about the job, use ing. The job is tiring.
The job is tiring.
If you talk about your feeling, use ed. I am tired.
Oh, that is the rule.
Yes, the job is the cause. The job is boring. So Ben is bored Ed.
I see. So I should not say I am boring.
No. If you say, I am boring, it means you are not an interesting person.
Oh no, I definitely do not want to say that. I am bored.
Yes, I am bored means you want to do something else.
Okay, my job is tiring, so I am tired.
My job is interesting, so I am interested.
This is very clear now. Thank you.
You are very welcome. We covered so much today, from titles to prepositions to feelings.
It was a full sandwich.
Yes, a very big sandwich.
So, Emma, how are you going to take your mouth to the gym tonight?
Well, I am going to call my friend and ask her about her new job. I will practice listening to her answer.
That is a good plan.
And what about you, Ben?
I am going to practice my 3 sentences in the mirror. I am a podcaster. I work in education. I am responsible for helping people.
I love it. You sound very professional.
Thank you.
And to all our listeners, we want to know about you.
Yes, we are very curious. What do you do?
Try to write 3 sentences about your job in the comments below. Use the structure we learned today.
Don't be shy. Just try your best. We love reading your comments.
Exactly. Tell us your title, where you work, and one thing you are responsible for.
It is great practice.
Well, that is all for today's episode of Easy English Friends.
Thank you so much for listening and learning with us.
Remember, speaking is a skill. Keep practicing and it will get easier every day.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye!